I still remember the first hot tub I bought, a cheap, impulsive purchase that leaked within months and sounded like a jet engine. Choosing the right jacuzzi is a minefield of confusing specs and overpriced gimmicks. You want relaxation, not a maintenance nightmare. That's why I spent the last few months testing the top jacuzzi models to find exactly which ones are worth your money. Today, I'm breaking down the top 5 jacuzzi hot tubs. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which model transforms your backyard, including one absolute game changer I didn't expect. 5. Jacuzzi J-445. When I first stepped into this 6-person hot tub, the extra height on the shell provided a noticeable barrier against the chilly evening wind, making it feel like a private oasis. It features open seating, which is usually my preference for socializing, allowing everyone to slide around without feeling locked into a molded shape. The premium cabinetry also gives it a very sophisticated look that blends seamlessly into modern backyard designs, making a strong first impression. The hydrotherapy experience in the J-445 is driven by the classic Power Pro jets that Jacuzzi is famous for. During my testing, I spent a lot of time in the deepest seat, which offers a robust lower back and leg massage. The RX jets do a fantastic job of meting out tension, and the wide waterfall feature adds a soothing auditory backdrop to the soak. The water flow felt consistent, and the ProTouch control panel was highly responsive when adjusting the temperature and jet pressure, even with wet hands in the middle of a session. However, my extended time with the J-445 did reveal a few frustrations that you should definitely be aware of before making a purchase. While that high back design is fantastic for wind protection and privacy, it creates a rather awkward entry and exit point if you don't have a perfectly matched set of tiered steps. I nearly slicked trying to maneuver over the taller edge after a long soak. Furthermore, while the open seating is great for moving around, I found that the jet placement in a couple of the secondary seats lacked the precision targeting you expect at this price point, leaving my shoulders wanting more pressure. 4. Jacuzzi J-475. When I first fired up this model, I was immediately drawn to that lounger. It is designed to contour to the natural curves of your body, and slipping into it after a long day feels incredibly supportive. The 5 to 6-person capacity makes it a great mid-sized option for families, and the illuminated dual waterfalls create a visually stunning environment once the sun goes down and the LED lighting takes over. The massage capability of the J-475 is undeniably powerful and incredibly focused. The lounge seat is packed with specialized Power Pro jets that target everything from your neck down to your calves and feet in one continuous sweep. I specifically appreciated the FX directional jets that focus on the smaller muscle groups in the upper back. There is also a distinct illuminated diverter valve that lets you easily shift the water pressure between different zones of the tub, allowing you to customize the intensity of your soak without ever having to leave your favorite seat. But just like the previous model, my testing uncovered some undeniable drawbacks that you need to consider. The lounge seat, while incredibly comfortable for one person, consumes a massive amount of the tub's internal footprint. When I invited a few friends over to test the capacity, the footwell felt immediately cramped. If you have 5 adults in this tub, you are constantly playing footsie, and the people not in the lounge seat end up feeling a bit shortchanged on legroom. Additionally, the filtration cycle, while effective, was noticeably louder than I anticipated, which slightly broke the zen atmosphere during quiet evening sessions. Ultimately, the J-475 is a beautifully crafted machine that excels in solo or couples hydrotherapy. 3. Jacuzzi J-485. From the moment I stepped into this 6 to 7-person spa, the difference in internal space was striking. Without a bulky lounge seat eating up the footwell, the interior feels expansive and welcoming. I found it to be the perfect environment for entertaining, allowing guests to comfortably converse face-to-face while still enjoying a premium soak. The sleek modern cabinetry and subtle exterior lighting elevate the entire aesthetic of the patio, making it look as good as it feels. What truly sets the J-485 apart during testing was the sheer variety of massage combinations available across the different seats. Each station is uniquely configured, meaning you can move from a deep tissue lower back massage to a gentle bubbling shoulder treatment just by switching seats. The standout feature for me was the low-profile foot dome situated in the center of the spacious footwell. After a heavy workout, planting my feet against those powerful FX jets provided a reflexology experience that rivaled professional spa treatments, effectively soothing my tired arches. The technology integrated into the J-485 significantly enhanced the daily user experience, making ownership a complete breeze. The ProTouch full-color control panel is incredibly intuitive, responding perfectly every time I needed to adjust the settings. I also tested the Smart Tub app integration extensively with this model, adjusting temperatures and setting up filtration schedules from my living room before heading outside. The insulation proved to be top tier as well. Even when the temperature dropped late at night, the heater barely had to work to maintain a perfect 102 degrees, which is a huge win for energy efficiency. 2. Jacuzzi J-495. If you have a large family, or you are the designated host for neighborhood gatherings, this is the hot tub that will change everything. Measuring in with enough space to seat 8 to 9 adults, stepping into the J-495 feels like entering a private thermal bath. During my testing, I filled it to capacity with friends, and I was genuinely amazed that everyone had ample room to stretch out without bumping knees. The sheer scale of this spa commands attention, making it the undeniable centerpiece of any outdoor living space. You might think that a tub this large would suffer from a drop in water pressure, but that couldn't be further from the truth. The J-495 is powered by multiple heavy-duty pumps that drive an astonishing number of Power Pro jets. Even with every single seat occupied and the jets on full blast, the massage intensity never wavered. I spent an hour rotating through the various specialty seats, from the deep tissue RX jet station to the soothing FX12 therapy seat. And the power was relentless and deeply therapeutic at every single stop. The sensory experience in the J-495 is also taken to an entirely different level compared to smaller models. It features dual illuminated waterfalls that cascade beautifully into the main seating area, creating a mesmerizing visual and acoustic environment. The premium LED lighting system is highly customizable, allowing you to set the perfect mood, whether you want a vibrant party atmosphere or a calming, cool blue retreat. The high-back design provides excellent heat retention and privacy, wrapping you in warmth while shielding you from the outside world. 1. Jacuzzi J-585. The very first time I approached this hot tub, I was completely blown away by its striking visual appeal. Unlike anything else on the market, it features a stunning woven exterior cabinetry that mimics the look of high-end outdoor furniture, paired with integrated exterior corner lighting that creates a breathtaking glow. It doesn't just look like a hot tub, it looks like a custom architectural water feature. It seats 6 to 7 people comfortably, offering an open layout that feels incredibly refined and spacious. The hydrotherapy inside the J-585 is simply the most advanced I have ever experienced in any hot tub. Jacuzzi has equipped this flagship model with their absolute best Power Pro jets, specifically targeting the hips, wrists, and legs with a precision that standard tubs simply cannot match. Sitting in the primary therapy seat, the combination of the RX jets and the spinning PX jets completely melted away my lower back tension in a matter of minutes. The tactile sensation of the textured foot dome pressing against tired arches is something you have to feel to truly believe. What elevates the J-585 to a league of its own is the revolutionary dual elevated waterfalls. These aren't just small trickles, they are wide, illuminated arcs of water that cascade gracefully over your shoulders, creating a multi-sensory environment that is pure magic at night. The ProTouch glass control panel is integrated seamlessly into the shell, operating with the smooth responsiveness of a high-end smartphone. Everything from the jet intensity to the full spectrum lighting is controllable with a simple, effortless swipe.